In today's video, we're going to cover the most common warning signs of low transmission fluid, an issue that can quickly turn into a costly transmission repair if ignored. We'll explain what these symptoms mean, why they happen, and what you should do if you notice them. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. To begin, low transmission fluid means your transmission doesn't have enough fluid to properly lubricate, cool, and operate its internal components. If the fluid stays low for too long, excessive heat and friction can cause serious transmission damage. Now, let's go through the warning signs one by one. Warning sign 1, gear slippage or unexpected gear changes. The first symptom on our list that you might experience when your transmission fluid levels are low is difficulty shifting gears or your transmission slipping out of gear unexpectedly. This can happen when the engine revs higher than usual, but the vehicle doesn't speed up as expected. If this happens suddenly, for safety, pull over to a safe spot as soon as possible. Avoid pushing the vehicle too hard or driving at high speeds. Once stopped, check your transmission fluid level if you know how, or call for roadside assistance to prevent further damage to the transmission. Warning sign 2, delayed or harsh shifting. The next symptom you should look out for when you have a low transmission fluid is delayed or harsh shifting when you accelerate or decelerate. You might feel jerking motions or hear clunking sounds as the transmission shifts gears. You should not panic when you hear those kinds of noises, but it's important to address the issue quickly to avoid further damage to the transmission. Warning sign 3, transmission overheating. Another symptom you should look out for is your transmission overheating, especially under heavy loads or during prolonged driving. This can trigger a warning light on your dashboard or cause a burning smell from under the hood. So, if you notice these, it's important to stop driving immediately and check your transmission fluid. Warning sign 4, grinding or whining noises. Insufficient lubrication due to low fluid levels can lead to increased friction and wear within the transmission components. This can result in grinding or whining noises when your vehicle is in gear. So, if you hear these noises, it has high chance that your transmission is having problems and needs attention. Also, check your fluid level as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Warning sign 5, transmission fluid leaks. Now, if you notice puddles or spots of reddish fluid underneath your vehicle, it could mean that there's a transmission fluid leak. Low fluid levels caused by leaks can make the symptoms mentioned above worse and lead to more serious transmission damage if not fixed quickly, so make sure to act quickly. So, other symptoms of low transmission fluid can include a lack of responsiveness when you're trying to shift gears, where the transmission takes longer to engage, or the vehicle may not move at all when you put it into gear. You might also experience vibrations while driving. Now, if you're sure you have low transmission fluid, stop driving immediately to avoid damaging the transmission. Check the fluid level, add the correct fluid if possible, and schedule a visit to a mechanic to inspect for any leaks or other issues that may need repair. Those are the most common signs that your transmission fluid may be running low. Catching these warning signs early can help you avoid major transmission damage and save you from expensive repair bills. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow DIY automotive tips. If your vehicle is showing a different symptom or trouble code, leave it in the comments, and we may cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.